my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is a pareto chart. Now, a pareto chart is similar to a histogram, whereas a histogram gives you the distribution of the samples, whereas the pareto chart gives you the distribution of the samples, but it sorts it. And then so you'll have the highest number of samples to the furthest to the left, and then decreasing samples. So that is what a pareto chart is and how it operates. So in order to make a pareto chart, we need to import the libraries of matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and import numpy as NP. So matplotlib is your visualization library, and numpy is your mathematical library or your numeric library. So we're going to define our example data is categories is a list of A, B, C, D, E, and values is a list of 50, 20, 15, 10, and 5. And you have to understand that in real life, the values are not going to be sorted. The values are going to be, you don't know what the values are going to be. But in this particular instance, they sorted the values already. But what we're going to do is, just in case the values aren't sorted, we're going to sort the values in descending order. So sorted indices equals np.argsort brackets values, and then you're going to sort it in descending order. And then sorted categories equals categories I for I in sorted indices. And what that is that's a Pythonic for loop. So that's just something peculiar to Python to make a little for loop that way. And sorted values equals values I for I in sorted indices. So you're going to sort the values as well. So you sort the categories and then you sort the values. But there's another way that you could do it. Also, you could do it with a zip. You could zip the categories with the values and do it that way too. But that's another matter. And then we're going to calculate the cumulative percentages. So cumulative values equals np.comsum sorted values, and cumulative percentages equals cumulative values divided by cumulative values -1 times 100. And then we're going to create a bar chart. So fig ax1 equals plt.subplots, ax1.bar equals sorted categories, comma, sorted values, comma, color equals sky blue, ax1.set x label is categories, ax1.set y label is values. So your x label is categories and your y label is values. So now we create the cumulative line chart. Ax equals ax1.twinx, ax2.plot, bracket, sorted categories, comma, cumulative percentages, comma, color equals blue, comma, marker equals D, comma, line style equals dash, comma, line width equals 2, ax2.set y value is, y label is cumulative percentage. So we add a title. The title is pareto chart example, and then we display it. And this is the pareto chart, and so you can see that the highest order of values are on the left-hand side, and then it goes decreasingly into the right-hand side. And then you have a line chart, which your line chart is the accumulation. So the line chart starts out at 0, and as you add the values, it goes up to 100%. So that's it for your pareto chart. They're very interesting to use. I personally use histograms, but if you want to know like the percentage, if you want to know the values of how something works, then a Pareto chart definitely is something nice for you to use. So I'm going to conclude this video, and the next video we will be talking about some more statistical topics.